In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new website or optimizing your existing platform, integrating your payment processing is crucial for smooth transactions and customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and get you all set up. First, you'll want to begin by heading to the Squarespace login page. Once you're there, simply click on the login option. If you prefer using a faster way to get in, select Continue with Google. This option is not only convenient but also secures your login seamlessly with your Google credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Squarespace dashboard. From this dashboard, you'll see a list of all your sites. Make sure to select the website where you intend to enable Stripe payments. Now, once you're on the site management page, look for the settings menu. You'll typically find it nestled within your website's menu options. Give it a click. This will bring up a range of configuration options that lets you customize different elements of your site. But for our purpose today, focus on finding the section labeled Selling. Within that section, you will easily spot the Payments option. Click on it to proceed. The Payments page now greets you with several options to manage how you receive funds. Here, navigate your way to Stripe. Clicking on Stripe will take you to another bright setup page designed to seamlessly integrate your accounts. The goal here is to connect your Stripe account to your Squarespace account, allowing you to process payments directly through your site. The next step involves linking these two accounts. You'll face a login prompt or a connect screen from Stripe. At this point, use your existing Stripe credentials to log in. It's important you use the correct account that you intend to connect with Squarespace, as you'll be managing transactions through it. Once you're logged in, Stripe will begin the authorization process. This essentially gives permissions to Squarespace to manage payments on your behalf. And there you have it, you are now fully connected. By completing this integration, you've equipped your Squarespace store with a robust payment processing tool in Stripe, making it easier for your customers to check out securely. A smooth checkout process can enhance customer satisfaction and experience on your platform. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Remember, if you ever run into any issues or have questions, both Squarespace and Stripe offer excellent support and resources to help you troubleshoot any problems. If you enjoyed this walkthrough or have any feedback, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful tips and tricks to help you make the most of your online presence. Thank you for watching.